we will discuss about lesson 2, what we discussed yesterday. See children, we have discussed about the jackal and the rooster, that is lesson 2. We have discussed paragraph 1, and in this paragraph we know that there was a big handsome rooster whose song was very nice and beautiful. He wanted to develop its song better, louder and clearer, but he did not get any way to do it. Still, a jackal suggested him. The jackal wanted to kill the rooster and eat him up, but he did not like to attack directly because he had an experience that when he would try to kill it or catch it, it would fly away to a tree. That was his experience. So he made a plan to catch the rooster. His hidden plan was to praise the rooster and increase faithfulness in him, and after that he could kill it easily. That was his plan. So he suggested the rooster to sing its song while closing its eyes. What happened after that? Whether the rooster accepted the advice of the jackal or not. If he accepted the advice, what happened after that, we will know in this paragraph. If you have books, please take out your book and open it at page 8. Look at this. The rooster closed his eyes and sang louder and clearer. I think he accepted the advice of the jackal. The rooster closed his eyes and sang louder, clearer, cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo. Then snap. Snap means quickly jump and caught it or bite it with its teeth. The jackal caught the rooster by its neck and ran away. The owner of the rooster chased behind. His wife and sons joined him, also joined his neighbors, but the jackal was much ahead of those running behind. The rooster in the meantime said, "Mr. Jackal, I am so happy to be with you. Without walking, I am walking. Without flying, I am flying. What a great feeling! And my owner is a miser. He never gives me anything to eat. Why don't you tell this to them?" The jackal felt happy with these words of the rooster. As he opened his mouth to say something, the rooster flew up to a tree. Sitting on the branch of the tree, the rooster sang, "I was a fool to believe your lies. I closed instead of keeping open my eyes." The jackal wept and said, "I am a great fool to believe what you said. For opening my mouth, I feel really repented." Look at this. The rooster closed his eyes and sang louder and clearer, "Cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo." He accepted the advice of the jackal and sang its song while closing its eyes. At the meantime, the jackal jumped at the rooster and caught it by its neck and ran away. He wanted that chance, so he told like this. When he closed his eyes, it jumped at once and caught the rooster by its neck and ran away. The owner of the rooster chased behind. The owner of the rooster saw the jackal taking his rooster. So he chased. Chased means run behind. He ran behind or run after the jackal to free the rooster from the jackal. His wife and his sons joined him. Not only the neighbor ran behind him, also his wife, his son and some neighbors run behind the jackal. But the jackal was much ahead of those running behind. At that time, the jackal was running very speedily, so they could not run at the jackal. The rooster in the meantime said, Mr. Jackal, I am so happy to be with you. At that time, the rooster was very intelligent and he made a plan at that time. In the meantime, he made a plan to escape from the jackal's mouth. So he told something. He said, the rooster in the meantime said, Mr. Jackal, I am so happy to be with you. He said to the jackal, oh jackal, I am very happy with you. Without walking, I am walking. Because it is in the mouth of the jackal. Without flying, I am flying. He said, I am feeling just like I am flying in the sky. What a great feeling, and my owner is a miser. He said, it is a great feeling and my owner is a miser. He never gives me anything to eat. Why don't you tell this to them? Why don't you tell this to them? Because he wanted to tell something to the owner of the rooster. He made the jackal to say something opening his mouth because he wanted to free from the jackal's mouth. So he made him to tell something and said, he never gives me anything to eat. He told about his owner that he did not give anything to eat him and he did not like his master because he was a miser. He did not give anything to anyone. The jackal felt happy with these words of the rooster. The jackal could not understand the hidden plan of the rooster. The rooster made a plan to escape from the jackal, so he made him to tell something to the owner of the rooster, not to chase them. He advised him to tell the owner and other people not to run behind the jackal because the rooster was very happy with the jackal. So they should not run behind them unnecessarily. The jackal felt happy with these words of the rooster. He opened his mouth to say something. The jackal could not understand the meaning of these words of the rooster. He could not understand the plan of the rooster. He was very happy to the words of the rooster and opened its mouth to tell something to the owner of the rooster. At the meantime, when he opened his mouth to tell something, the rooster flew away to a tree and saved its life. Sitting on the branch of a tree, the rooster sang, "I was a fool to believe your lies. I closed instead of keeping open my eyes." He went onto the tree, he flew to the tree, sat there, and he was very happy that he saved its life from the jackal. And he sang a song, and the matter was that he said that he committed a mistake. What was that? Instead of opening its mouth, opening its eyes, he closed his eyes on the advice of the jackal. Okay? So, he repented. He was regret about his work. The jackal wept and said, "I am a great fool." Again, the jackal said that he was also very sad and he wept because he lost the rooster. "To believe what you said for opening my mouth, I feel really repented." The jackal said, "I repented my mistake because I believed the words of the rooster and opened its mouth, so it escaped from its mouth and saved its life." So the jackal was very sad and wept, but the rooster was very happy because he escaped from the jackal and saved his life. Children, let us write the difficult words of this passage. We will write very quickly. Write down these things in your meaning note. Snap. S-N-A-P. Snap means catch. C-A-T-C-H. Catch or bite. Bite quickly. When the cat saw the mouse, it snapped. It snapped at the mouse. Means quickly it jumped onto the mouse and caught him. Then chased. C-H-A-S-E-D. C-H-A-S-E-D. Chased means run after or run behind someone. Follow. The policeman chased the thief or chased behind the thief. Then neighbor, N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R, neighbor. You can also make simple sentences like this at home. Okay, remember it. You should try to make sentences and use the difficult words in some simple sentences. Okay, children? Neighbor. Neighbor means next to us. Next to us. Next to us. Mr. Pradhan is our neighbor. Mr. Pradhan is our neighbor. That means he lives next to our house. They are called neighbor. Do you understand what is called neighbor? Then, meantime. Meantime. At the same time. At the same time. Meantime means at the same time. When we were playing, when we were playing in the meantime, it rained. It rained. In the meantime, it rained. It means at the same time, it rained. Then, miser. M-I-S-E-R. Miser means the what? Who do not give anything to anyone? That is called miser. The old man does not spend any money because he is a miser. Those who do not spend any money, those who do not give anything to anyone, they are called miser. Okay. The old man does not spend any money because he is a miser. Do you understand? Please be attentive in the class and listen to me carefully, because we have to learn more and more in English. Instead of. Means in place of. Instead of means in place of. I bought a pen instead of a book. I bought a pen instead of a book. Means in place of a book. Okay? Then wept, W-E-A-P-T. W-E-A-P-T, wept. It is verb of weep. It means C-R-I-E-D, cried. Generally children cry for something. So when my friend heard the result, When my friend heard the result, he wept. He wept. Then repent. Repent means to be sorry. To be sorry for something. Or regret, or feel regret. The boy repented about his mistake. The boy repented for his mistake. His mistake. Then fool, F-O-O-L, fool. Fool means who cannot understand. Who cannot understand. Who cannot understand anything. Who cannot understand anything. They are called fool. The little boy is fool, or the boy is, or the boy is fool. Okay, children, these are the difficult words. We have to by heart the meaning, then we have to try to use them in the sentence. I have written some model sentences, and at home in your rough notebook you can write them and use in your own sentences. Okay? Try it. Again we will read the passage. The rooster closed his eyes and sang louder and clearer, cock-a-doodle-doo, then snapped. The jackal caught the rooster by its neck and ran away. The owner of the rooster, just behind his wife and sons, joined him, also joined his neighbors. But the jackal was much ahead of those running behind. The rooster in the meantime said, Mr. Jackal, I am so happy to be with you. Without walking, I am walking. Without feeling, I am feeling. What a great feeling! And my owner is a miser. He never gives anything to eat. Why don't you tell this to them? The jackal felt happy with these words of the rooster. As he opened his mouth to say something, the rooster flew up to a tree. Sitting on the branch of the tree, the rooster sang, I was a fool to believe your lies. I closed instead of keeping open my eyes. The jackal wept and said, I am a great fool to believe what you said. For opening my mouth, I feel really repentant. Okay, children? So you have to by heart these difficult words, and I will send you the photograph of this paragraph, and you have to read this passage for 7 times, that you can attend the question answer in the next class. Have a nice day. Thank you very much, children.